2016 Cadillac Escalade cylinder 4 misfire. Cylinder 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cylinder 1, this driver side. Okay, this front driver side. Mr. Joe, do it. Okay. This is cylinder 4. Cylinder 4, zero compression. The second truck coming same problem. I do it before one. Right now this different one coming. Before I do it 2021. Right now 2016. Right now I check a compression for cylinder 2. Do it. Yep. That's it. 175. 175. Cylinder 2, but cylinder 4, 0, 0. And this up to plug. This up cylinder 2 plug. Cylinder 2 and cylinder 4. Lifter, intake lifter, this are problem. No coming oil, nothing, everything. Inside, maybe lifter no working, cylinder 4. Maybe valve, spring, valve C, no valve C. 100%, 99% for lifter. Before I do it, I check it, one lifter stuck it, see. And I put it back everything. Subscribe to my channel. Wardrobe Auto Care. Muhammad Mechanic and some more. And this side. Say cheese, man.